I like to consider myself a little bit of an air fryer queen, but if I'm being honest, this one by Nuwave is not something I have seen before, and this might be my new favorite air fryer. This thing is really neat, and let me tell you why. So first off the bat, it is just over 7 quarts, so you've got this beautiful big basket inside here, and they do give you the raised tray, which I think is really great, so that you can actually cook more than one thing at once. So on the bottom, for example, you can have like your French fries, and then you can put this, it sits right over top and it's elevated, so you still have all of the room underneath there for, again, maybe your French fries. And on top you can throw some chicken wings on there, or chicken strips, or whatever it is you're putting in there. You can do some potatoes on one layer, mix and match whatever you want, vegetables as well. Anything you want to put in the air fryer, it is cool that you have those options. And this is also dishwasher safe, which is really great. But this, oh, it's singing to me. This is the part that at first I was just like so confused. I didn't understand what was going on, but now I think it is so cool. So of course you have, you know, your usual ones where you can just pick, like reheat, you can sear, and you can pick your temperature and your time, like any standard air fryer. However, check this out here, right up at the top. You have these from 1 to 20, and you're like, what does that even mean? So you can hit the menu button, and then, oh yeah, so you have your 1, and then you can go through the different options here. There are 100 preset menu cooking items here. So this 1 to 20 is kind of like your most common. So number 1 here is like you have bacon, and then over here number 20 you have vegetables, you have pork. So these are probably the most used ones, but then there are 100 different options here. And it's cool because they give you this, and it is like laminated, so it's not just a piece of paper that's going to get ripped, but like number 62 is chili coffee rubbed NY strip steak, so New York strip. So like there are just so many different options on here that you are already preset in here. But then on top of that, they give you 50 more slots where you can preset your own thing. So of course, maybe you have your favorite bacon wrapped stuffed chicken. Well, you can go ahead and so you know the exact temperature, the exact time to cook, and you can go ahead and preset it in here, and maybe it's going to be number 101 so that you know, and then you can like make yourself your little list, and so you know which ones those are. But I've literally never seen that before in an air fryer, to be able to have 150 preset cooking items or menus or times and temperatures, and I just think it is so cool. And the way that the top here is slanted, again, I thought that was a little bit strange, but because you have so many different presets in your menus, I just think it's really easy for you to see it, so it makes it a lot better. I think that's really neat. One thing to note is, I'll unplug it here to show you, the cord is a lot shorter than other air fryers I've used, which again, is not a bad thing on a countertop. We know that so many of us are just annoyed by all these long cords, so it is kind of nice that it is short, but obviously that means it just needs to be close to an outlet. But yeah, Nuwave, I am honestly impressed, and I think this baby's going to get a lot of use in this household.